Today we'll be talking about natural language processing. How does AI understand human language? Welcome back once again to today's video at AI Advocate Africa, where we simplified AI technology for you in a fun way. Have you ever talked to ChatGPT or Google Assistant and wondered, how does AI understand human language? Today, we are breaking down how AI processes and understands language, how chatbots, translation tools, and voice assistant work, and why AI sometimes get things hilariously wrong. By the end of this video, you will understand the magic behind AI conversation. So let's dive in straight away. First thing first, what exactly is natural language processing? Natural language processing, in abbreviation NLP, is the AI technology that helps machines understand, interpret, and respond to human language. Think of it: Google translates languages instantly. Chatbot answers customer questions 24/7. AI writes emails, essays, even rap lyrics. But how does this work? This is why this video is coming your way. Let's break it down. So when you type "what is the weather like today" into an AI chatbot, what actually happens? Several things happen. Number one, AI breaks down the sentence into pieces called tokenization. This process helps the AI to split the sentence into words, such as "what's the weather like today?" This helps AI analyze each word separately. Secondly, AI assigns meanings to words. We call it semantic analysis. AI connects words to their meanings using massive databases. Example, it knows weather is related to temperature and rain, not food. Thirdly, AI predicts what you mean. We call it context and intent. AI does not just write words, it figures out your intent. For example, if you ask, "Can you tell me a joke?" AI knows you are looking for the humor. The fourth thing that actually happens when you chat with some of this AI, the AI generates response. We call it text generation. The AI forms a reply based on its training data. Example, the weather today is 20 degrees Celsius and sunny in Lagos. Perhaps it's just an illustration. But we are going to still also take a look at how AI understands speech. What we just looked at above is how AI understands text. Now, we want to understand how AI understands speech, voice assistant, and chatbot AI. But what about voice assistant like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistants? They don't just read text, they understand speech too. Here is how. Speech to text, voice recognition. Speech to text, we call it voice recognition.
Welcome to AI Advocate Africa, where we simply AI and make it fun for everyone.
Listen to your voice and convert it into text. Example, "Hey Siri, set an alarm for 7 a.m. AI write this as, "Hey Siri, set alarm 7 a.m. We are going to be looking at this in practical way. Another thing that happens under this voice assistant is text to meaning, natural language processing. AI analyzes what you mean. Are you asking a question? Giving a command? This is what the AI will be analyzing. The third thing that happens is AI responds its speech that is text to speech. AI converts its responses into human-like speech. For example, okay, I've set your alarm for 7 a.m. Now that you know how natural language processing works, let's see it in action. AI chatbot, customer support. Banks, telecoms, and e-commerce platform uses AI chatbots to answer customers' questions. Example, MTN's Nigeria chatbot can help you check your balance or recharge. AI translators, Google Translate, deep learning, for instance. Natural language processing helps AI translate language into real time. Example, say hello in English, it becomes bonjour in French instantly. AI writing assistant, Grammarly, ChatGPT. AI helps people write better emails, essay, and even reports. For example, ChatGPT can write entire script like this one. But we have some limitation about this natural language processing, why AI sometimes fails us. But AI is not perfect. We all know that in one of our previous videos. Sometimes it completely messes up. AI can misunderstand slangs and jokes. Example, you type, I'm feeling blue, and AI thinks you are literally turning blue. It has messes up what you want. It doesn't understand the slang. Secondly, AI lacks deep human understanding. AI does not truly understand emotions. It just predicts what sounds right. We have seen that in one of our videos before. AI can be biased if trained on bad data. We have also seen this in one of our previous data before, that when an AI is trained with so many white Western people to identify an image, and you give it a black man pictures, it might hardly understand it because it was trained with a lot of data using the white people. If AI is trained on bias or one-sided data, it can produce unfair results, just like this illustration. So, what is the future of natural language processing? Will AI ever speak like human? I want to hear your thoughts on the comment section. AI is getting better at emotions or tone detection. AI translators are improving daily. Soon, we will have real-time conversation in any language. AI chatbots are being trained to sound more natural, like ChatGPT and Bard. But remember, AI is still a tool, not a human. For now, we still hold the power of true understanding. Get that right. What do you think? Will AI ever understand human language 100% perfectly? I want to know in the comment section below. Do you want me to compare ChatGPT versus Google Bard? Also, let me know in the comment section below. Like this video if you learned something new today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Share this video to a friend that you think loves tech. Remember, this is AI Advocate Africa, bringing AI closer to you. See you in the next video.